Good. Scale. Can anybody explain the feature of the square? Yes, you tell me.
All the sides of square are equal. The angle of square is 90 degrees.
Yes, exactly. Good. And now suppose we convert 2D shape into 3D shapes now. From 2D to 3D, we will find the 2D shape to 3D. So is it called 3D shape? So can anybody explain the name of this figure? Yes.
A cube.
Yes. Volume of the cube will be the length, breadth, and height. It will be the A times A times A is A cube, right? So we will call rectangle in 2D, and if we convert it into 3D, then it will convert cuboid. So we have different features of the 2D and 3D. So firstly, we will find the area of this figure. What will be the area of this figure? Yes, yes. Yes. Length multiplied by breadth. Now that is the total surface area of this figure. So first, yes. Yes, exactly. Actually, it's a cuboid. Or suppose in real world, this room is in cubical shape. Suppose you have to find the paint all this room. So you will find the total surface area of this room, right? And can I explain the concept of the volume? What is volume? Volume. Yes.
So it is a capacity of object.
Yes. Capacity of any object is called volume, right? Suppose you want to fill the air, water, and then solid materials. So it will be the capacity. Suppose you want to measure the capacity of this, then you will use the formula of the yes, exactly. Volume of